Hello, welcome to Learn Visual with Satoru. Okay, today I will go to share how to blur the face or object by manual tracking. Although Kdenlive have an auto tracking system, but that's not perfect and the shape is not customizable. So sometimes we need to use our manual tracking, and it's very easy to do that. I will show you how. Okay, I got a very short movie as example. I already dragged the video clip to the timeline. First, you need to duplicate it. Just right click, copy, and on the next track, right click, paste to duplicate your video clip, and apply a blur filter to your upper track, and increase the amount so that you cannot see the face. I want to blur the face of this person. This amount is enough for me. And second, you need to do a rotoscoping filter, because rotoscoping filter is that you can have a keyframe, so you can move your blur areas. For example, okay, we just click here, left click, left click, left click to design the area we want to blur, left click, and at the end you need to right click the original point to close the loop. So as you see, this area we already blur, and you can move in and out, or you can move the whole shape. So we just play the video, and here we find that the face is coming out, so we need to add a keyframe in here. Add keyframe plus sign, and then move this area and play the video coming out. We add a keyframe, move the area, and play that. Add a keyframe, move, add a keyframe, move, add a keyframe, move. That's all. So we already create some keyframe here, and you will see that the area is moving. Easy, right? That's all for today. Thank you for watching.